What does children's best interest mean in legal terms? Well, it's very much what it says on the tin. It is what is in the best interests of the children at that point in time. So one thing that is a primary factor that gets taken into consideration is, depending on the age of the child, if they are able to give their views, it's what do they ideally want to see happen? What would be their preference going forward, if it's in terms of where they're going to reside with, what level of contact they're going to have, what schools they'd even like to go to. Whilst that is an important factor, it's also accepted that sometimes children aren't necessarily the best judges of what would be the best decisions for them. So mum and dad coming in and being able to give their opinions on what is in their best interest as well is also heavily considered. A big thing that the court will look at, if we're looking at courts to make decisions, is maintaining the status quo for the child, which is basically trying to keep it as close to their usual routine as possible. So although divorce can be very unsettling and there can be giant upheavals, seeing what consistent patterns that they've already had in their lives can stay there, like attending the same schools, being able to see their same friends, being able to go to the same clubs. That isn't always in the best interest though, so everything has to be taken on a case-by-case basis. A lawyer can help assess all of these things for you and help weigh up the pros and cons and the various arguments that you might have as to what is in the best interest of your child.